Hey guys, this is Glen, and this is a review of Pocket Profits. And this is actually a really cool program. I love these kind of programs because you can get them for really inexpensive, and most of the time they work fantastic. This looks like another great product. Basically, this is going to be a review, a little demo, and kind of a little bit of a walkthrough. We'll get to that. Also, I'm going to show you my bonus page. But first off, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, what is Pocket Profits? It's basically an Instagram training, and it's a really cool method of getting a ton of traffic and making a ton of sales using Instagram. So with all these guys, with all these type of programs, guys, it's really training on exactly how to do that stuff, and then they always offer an ability for you to have it done for you. They'll give you all the tools that they use, and you can do the same and try to get the same results. But you do have to do the work. You still have to, like, it's not just a push button and it's done. There is some work involved setting it up, but once you have it set up, they work really well. So this is, again, Pocket Profits, and I'm gonna first off, I'm gonna show you the I'll show you my bonus page, and then we'll show you the demo, and I'll give you my opinion on the whole thing. So let's pop over to my bonus page. This is it here, guys. This, again, you're going to get the video from Trevor going in there, and then there's going to be a ton of bonuses for you guys. Just go through. There's a whack of them I'm throwing on this one for you. So there's some really great stuff that you can pick up there. Now let's go over to the sales page. This is the sales page here for Pocket Profits. And basically, here, get my camera stuff out of the way here. This is okay. So its secret explosive system pulls in $453 per day on autopilot. Now, guys, remember, all these are like experienced marketers are getting these results, but still they're getting these cool results using this technique. So what is it? It's this guy, this Danish guy. You're gonna hear him in the demo. He really he really basically is a little bit hard to understand, but he's got some cool stuff going on. So 2 steps to a traffic offer. You basically point to your bio, and he's an Insta master. So what are you going to get with this? Again, these are weekly sales shots. What they're doing, not necessarily. These are always just sort of pie in the sky ideas. What you can make. Philip is already an expert. Go down using Pocket Profits. A little bit more testimonials, what lies in the future. But let's go down and see what you actually get with it. You're going to unlock unlimited buyer traffic. This is a real solution. Pitch turning free traffic into 4-figure commissions all day long. Now, guys, you don't have to use your own face or your own image or any of that like that stuff. They're going to show you how to use images that are already out there and start deriving a ton of traffic from Instagram. And why do they choose Instagram over TikTok? Because TikTok actually is a great platform, but it only has a few hours of viral, and then it goes on to the next one. It moves very fast. Whereas Instagram, you can get days, and even I've had some post, guys, that for weeks I will get traffic from it. So that's a really cool thing. What else is there? Stop wasting time. It takes he does about 20 minutes a day. I would always do give yourself an hour a day to do it. Step 1, you activate it. Step 2, you connect free buyers. Step 3, collect commissions. So they make it seem simple, but there is going to be a few more steps to that than that. But let's look at the, there's some bonuses that come with it. Direct access to the Insta Master, so you're going to have direct access to Philip. You're going to get free training on how they made $43,000 in 7 days, which is really cool. You're going to get free high-ticket training worth $19.97. You're going to get the unfair advantage of business, a life custom training, and instant approval to promote Pocket Profits, which is really cool. So you could turn around and just promote this as your offer. So that is it. So let me jump on here, and I'm going to show you the demo walkthrough. Where are we here? And I'm just gonna, there's a little bit of a trailer at the beginning where you don't need to see that. I'm just gonna resume where we are. So check it out. I'll be right back.
Right, so here's the truth, okay? This is the absolute truth. Philip is like the Insta master, okay? Instagram king, 50 odd thousand followers. So what we were concerned about was Like, all right, it's easy for you. This is what you do. You've got all these followers. You can easily make money. We said we need to see this from scratch. So he set up a new account, all right, and that's when we got so excited. We jumped on a group chat and we were absolutely like buzzing because he set up this new account, and within hours he got leads, he got sales, he got thousands of views, he got followers, he got everything from scratch. Okay. Now the other thing that we know is that you don't want to get your face on camera. You don't want to have to make videos. You don't want to have to do stuff. You want stuff that's done for you. This is done for you. We give you what to put on there to get the views. We give you the links. We give you the offers. In the affiliate marketing game, to make money online, what you need is a decent source of traffic and an offer that converts. You get both of these with Pocket Profits, all right? You get a ton of traffic because the massive competition between the platforms right now. Now is the time to jump on this. Now is the time to cash in with this, all right? So we give you the traffic, we give you the tools, we give you the done for you videos, we give you the offer, we give you everything. So for those of you that are looking for something that is almost push button, that's going to get you some money straight away, this is for you. I'm not kidding you. And the upsells are just incredible. The optional upgrades that we've got, you've got to check out because this is like money, license to print money. All right.
Hey guys, you sexy animals, god damn it. So guys, about the product, it's Instagram, and you can see here I have proof that I have a bunch of followers on Instagram. But you can see here I am branding myself, and we don't want them to do that, right? They don't want to show their face on camera. So what we want to be teaching them is, because right now guys, Instagram is trying to compete with one of the most biggest and viral platforms out there right now, and that is TikTok. So they are pushing their TikTok videos, aka Instagram Reels, like this one here, out like crazy. So they get a bunch of views and followers and engagement, and people are clicking the link like crazy people. Okay? So guys, listen up. There's a way that they don't have to show their face on camera. Instagram allow to repurpose other people's content without getting penetrated. Penetrated sounds like something. Yeah. Okay, you know what I mean, right? So they simply just download this video here and upload it to their own Instagram account. And now, guys, if we head over to my ClickBank account, we can see that I'm making on average $464, right? So we are simply gonna teach them how we do this method and how we bank $465 per day. Hey again guys, so I just want to show you how powerful this is with proof. I've created a brand new Instagram account, right? And I uploaded this video here, maximum 2 hours. And look at this, it got 3,814 views already. Imagine if people got this many views on their video. And in the video, I even say click the link in the bio. So you could imagine how many leads I got from that already. And it's only been 2 hours. And the beautiful thing about Instagram compared to TikTok is that a TikTok video is only gonna get traffic for like few hours, 6 or 12 hours if you're lucky. Instagram Reels can get traffic for days to come. So yeah guys, just wanted to shoot this quick video here to show you that a brand new account can get a lot of traction extremely fast. Okay? Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 free leads, highly targeted free leads in 2 hours time. So yeah guys, I just wanted to prove to you that this also works with a brand new account. So it's copy and paste, 18 seconds copy paste to $458.09 per day. A brand new account can get a lot of traction extremely fast. Okay?
This is genuine stuff, guys. Jump on it right now, as soon as you can. Strike while the iron's hot, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.
So that's pretty cool. Like it's crazy to see like that's how much traffic it is. But why it's happening is because the minute you get any sort of traffic or you have anything viral, Instagram is truly trying to compete with TikTok. So you're going to get a ton of traffic. So guys, check it out. Click the link below. You'll get my bonus page. Go through, grab the front end, and then look through the OTOs. The OTOs, where are they? Let me go through them for you. Where is it here? There's a ton of them. You know what? I'm gonna put them in the. I'll put them in the description down below because they have quite a few of them. Here, I put it on my notes here. Let me see. There's gonna be the first one is $27 for the traffic hack, 10 times your traffic hack. Number two is done for you, $37. They're gonna give you 30 of his top posts. Number three is 10K a month automation, steal Phillips exact campaigns. That one I think is 97. Reseller rights, 97. You get 100% commissions. 10K buyers in 24 hours. It's another $97 one. Number six is I don't have the price on there. Number seven is I don't have the price on there either. So there's 7 upgrades, guys. Now here's the trick, and remember, let me get face up. Can remember. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to the bonus page. Like I'm gonna make less commissions for this, guys. As an affiliate, but you're gonna scroll off, and as you do that, you're gonna get a prompt, right? An exit prompt, and it's gonna say, "Hey, we're gonna you qualify for a discount, or you're gonna get some kind of discount, right?" So you definitely want to take that discount, and then when you're on each of the OTOs, do the same thing, and they will you should get a prompt, and you should be able to get it for a little bit cheaper. Now, if you like that, make sure you hit like and say thanks, Glenn. And then also subscribe to my channel, and you will get more videos about reviews and stuff like that. So definitely this one, guys, this is a no-brainer. Just Instagram. There's a ton of traffic on Instagram. You want traffic, you want to make sales, give yourself an hour a day and go to town with it. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, this has been Pocket Profits review, demo, bonuses, tutorial, walkthrough, all that good stuff. Cheers, man. Bye.